Hello, welcome to Safra Korea's channel. Today I am going to show you home remedy for cough and cold. Now in India, we live in South India, it is winter season and very often children get cold, even adults get cold. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this kasai or a syrup which you can make at home fresh. Now there are some dry ingredients and wet ingredients. Okay. This is bishop weed, seeds of bishop weed, you say ajwain. I am going to use the leaves of that plant, so I am not going to use the dry ingredient today, so I will separate it. So this is the leaves of bishop's weed plant, see how wonderful it is. Then this is licorice, Jeshth mud. There are various names. Jeshth mud is a very common name and this licorice in English. I will have to use only one. This is fresh ginger. I can use the fresh ginger or dry ginger. I will show you, called sunt. This is the dry. I am going to use the fresh ginger, 1 piece. If you do not have fresh ginger, you can use half teaspoon of dry ginger. I have 6 cloves here and 1 teaspoon of pepper. This is the teaspoon, and this is these leaves of bishop weed I have got from my garden. My ginger I got from my garden, and this is the lemongrass. See how it looks. I cannot show you the flavor of this, you have to smell it. This it looks. Now just take 2 leaves of this for my preparation. You can dry these leaves also and store it. Can I begin now? This is the cup I use to measure the water. Okay, 3 cups of this water. Because I have to boil it and bring the kasai to 1 cup, syrup it become. Then I will put this licorice, there is a Jeshth mud, 6 cloves, 1 piece cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pepper. And I will cut these 2 grass blades. See, I love to do this fresh kasai, and I will put the wet ginger. Make it into pieces so now every part of the ginger releases its juice. You use dry ginger powder also, no problem. Bishop weeds also you can use the dry or the leaves. See that the leaves get dipped into the water, because every part of the leaf should get boiled. So, I am going to my kitchen now. I think you have watched me carefully. I will keep it on high flame, you know why? It will help to boil the water fast and everything will come. Once it start boiling, you can simmer it, okay, and stir it. See how fresh and wonderful it is. You just try this remedy. I will show you after it boils. It's the adults, the children above 1 year can have this, and I will show you the color of the water also will change. It is called kasai in my oriental language, or it is syrup, water syrup with all these herbs. Okay, let it boil, let give time. The kasai is boiled and condensed to 1 cup. Lovely. Let it get cooled, you know, after getting cooled. Nothing like this. Let it get cooled. I will strain it, and you can store it in the fridge and rewarm it when you want to give the patient to drink. But today I am going to give my husband, he's got severe cold. Lovely. This is, try this home remedy. I am going to put many more home remedies, you know. It's, you know, and actually you can do the dry powder also. That is a very good option for people who are going to work. Same ingredients, the dry stuff, powder it, and you know, 1 teaspoon of dry powder, mix it in little honey, 1 teaspoon, and you can have it, consume it. The dry mixture of the same ingredients. I have used fresh because these 3 things grow in my garden. Oh, lovely. You know, and it is good for the digestive system also, because there is ginger, there is pepper, cinnamon. Those who have BP, for them also it is good. This ajwain leaves. See, I am pouring it. You have to strain, because all those materials should not be in your liquid. Don't waste, because it is very medicinal, this every drop of this. Lovely.